Hey, Rexy. Do you smell something funny? Something funky in here. Do you smell bad smell? I smell bad smell. Is this chicken still good? It smells like old socks or underwear or something. No, that smells okay. No, squash, that's it. No, that should be all right. All right, well, I guess I'll just learn to live with it. Oh, okay, that's great. You know what? It's bugging me. I'm gonna bring my glasses out because maybe I'm not like reading the expiration label. I gotta get the funk out of here. Okay, I know that my nice okay, that's fine. That's gotta be fine. Yeah, that's fine. And tortillas. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. I have found the funk. The funk has been found.